Close your eyes and just listen. With every breath you take, a hidden city begins to awaken inside you. As you inhale, streets of light unfold, stretching endlessly, paved with calm and quiet. As you exhale, the houses built from your worries crumble into dust, making room for silence. In this city, there are no cars, no noise, only gentle breezes shaped by your heartbeat and windows that glow softly with your thoughts. The breeze that moves through the alleys isn't air, it's the rhythm of your breath. As you wander deeper, you notice towers made entirely of memories. Some shine bright, others are cracked and fading. But with every inhale, they revealed themselves stronger, steadier, calmer. At the very center stands a single clock, but this clock doesn't measure hours or minutes. It measures stillness. Each pause between your breaths makes the hands move slowly, steady, unhurried. The less you rush, the more beautiful the city becomes. And then something remarkable happens. You realize this city was never separate from you. This city is you. A world built from breath, silence and awareness. A place that comes alive every time you close your eyes. And when you finally open them again, you carry the city with you, not as a dream, but as your own hidden sanctuary, a home beneath your breath.